A whale eats 40 million krill a day. So let's convert that into scientific notation. Now, our first step is to write our decimal point. Our decimal point goes behind all of our zeros. Now remember, we need to figure out a coefficient, and we need to figure out our power of 10. To figure out our power of 10, we need to determine how many times do we move our decimal point over to the left in order to only have one digit in front of our decimal point. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our exponent is 7 because we need to move our decimal point 7 times to the left in order to have only one digit in front of our decimal point. Now, the digit in front of our decimal point was 4, and there are no other digits after 4. So our final answer is 4 times 10 to the power of 7. 40 million in scientific notation is 4 times 10 to the power of 7.